Hey guys, welcome back. I don't know what day it is. We've been on and off with videos. Damn, I look sweaty. But it's really hot over here in Florida. We have been on and off with the content. I apologize for that. There's a lot going on behind the scenes. Good news is the Subaru is finally tuned. Big thanks to Meg Tuned. He has hooked it up. We've been literally going back and forth for a good minute with a lot of revisions, a lot of issues that the car had underneath it that I wasn't able to tell. All of it is fixed, but yeah, the car's running. And if you guys don't know, we have Fred's Genesis in Florida right now. That's a whole nother story. It actually happened very last minute. It wasn't really planned. One of our JetBlue flights delayed and then canceled when I was in New York visiting. Fred's insurance was about to term and he didn't really want to have it for the time being because he has the hatch. So we just decided to kind of drive the car down. Well, we as in me. There was no point for him to come down with me. So we ended up deciding that out of the last minute once they canceled it. And I also had to be here for work the following day. I had to end up calling out on a Monday. I ended up getting to Florida on a Tuesday around 1 o'clock actually. And yeah, I took the drive with the Genesis. We was gonna take it to the Amtrak, and that's why I ended up calling out as well. The Amtrak told me no, that the car was too low because of the downpipe. We did raise it up, but we didn't know that the downpipe was sitting so low. It was rushed, but then again, we let it be, and we ended up taking it to a shop nearby to see if we can raise it up. They did. I still didn't get to the train on time, unfortunately. So last case was just to drive it straight down to Florida, which is what I did. And yeah, it's here now. We have it sitting in the garage for now. But his hatch is about to come tomorrow. He has it getting transported at the moment. Right now, I think it's in North Carolina. He has an air tag on it, so it's pretty cool. We can track where it's at. And they also called me letting me know that's gonna be here tomorrow morning. With that being said, we have to move 3 cars now. I think we can all agree that we need a bigger garage. It's in the works. Just bear with me. We are looking for a house that has a 2-car garage, but one that we do adore. We, as in my wife and I, happy wife, happy life, we now have 3 cars. And we're about to have a 4th one. We gotta move the CRV a little bit back, move the Subie out, and then take the Genesis out of here because the Civic is gonna come in here tomorrow morning. With that being said, we now have 3 keys and 3 cars we gotta move. So let's get this done. I know the garage is enough, guys. Trust me, I know it's been a very hectic couple weeks. we have that organized. His car comes in tomorrow morning. My car will be moved. Right now, I'm just working on the wheels. I'm gonna sand down the wheels because I didn't even mention that. So we're painting the wheels right now because they look toasted. They're so beat and they have curb rash. So at the time, I'm just painting them this new color that Fred's only gunmetal. Well, it's not a new color, but like a new color that I'm messing with. So it's gunmetal by Rosilium. I think gunmetal matte metallic. So I'm throwing that on with a clear coat on top. And I'm gonna focus on the headliner as well. I'm getting actually the fabric today locally. And I'm gonna make the headliner Alcantara and then paint the little pieces black with this duplicate color. So you guys know. So vinyl fabric, duplicate color, and I got this 3M headliner adhesive for the Alcantara, which I gotta get in there. Okay, so we're back on another day. Well, it's the following day. We kind of lost daylight and it started raining and my mic died. We're gonna continue what we started. Fred's car is actually en route. I think he's about an hour away. So we're waiting on the Civic to get here. I'm gonna park it outside because Freddie said it's probably infested with like ants and stuff like that because it's been sitting. Other than that, we have to take the wheel off. We have this side done, completed of the wheels. Painted gunmetal. This is the color for reference if you need it. Paint and primer in one. Not sure how I feel about it yet, but we have to do this side next. Working on the front. My boy Alex is about to pull up with his Mazda real quick, his daily, to do the axle. That's going to be done fairly quickly, we hope. And then I got to do the headliner as well. So I don't know if you can tell by the material through the camera, I doubt it, but we found it at Joann's Fabric. And I think we spent about 26 bucks or 28 bucks. So that's going to be done on that car. I also bought the duplicate color. That is crazy. I don't know if you can tell, but there's like a web, spider web that goes from here to all the way over there. So this is before. It looks pretty beat. This is a little bit sanded down. It rained yesterday, so I'm pretty sure that all got rusted. And then this is after. I feel like I need another layer of clear coat, but it looks better. Okay, how about now? Can you see the web? They finally got it. Thanks to him. We have Fred's car over there. You can see it's running his other car. It took us, I want to say, approximately almost 2 hours to get that car here because of a bad terminal and the car kept shutting off. We made it. That's why I sound like I'm out of breath. But enough of that. The car is here, and yeah, that was just a bad idea. We're trying to remove the headliner, so we got this piece out. It was a couple harnesses, 4 to be exact, and 2 screws holding it. I popped it from here and then scooped it out. So next is the visors. I think I'm gonna get 15 STI ones, and I don't know if they're gonna fit, but we're gonna try it out and I'll keep you posted. Took out 1 screw and we're just gonna keep making our way here. Okay, so we're making our way back here. I'm hearing something and I don't know if it's a bug in here, but I hear it and it sounds like it's trying to flap away. But yeah, we took off the door handle thingies. Actually, that was supposed to come off already. Yeah, there you go. Oh shit. Oh, honestly, I thought I broke it. I think I did. Oh no, the whole thing just came out with it. Take this light out. Those not the door handles, the grab, I don't even know what you call them. Oh shit handles. I'm tired as hell right now. After especially handling Fred's car and working on an axle. I'm honestly tired. And I'm just trying to find the will and the power to work on my car real quick. Because tomorrow is Monday, we go back to work. So let me at least try to take this apart so tomorrow I can take off the headliner after work and you know, it could be easier. And then I could start not painting it, wrapping it with Alcantara. I'm trying to get all of this done actually before Fred gets here, which is Wednesday night. We're gonna do a little of everything today. So now we have this mirror mount adapter that just came in because we're gonna retrofit 15 STI with a garage opener onto that Subie. Take out the headline, well, the sunroof cover. Nobody tells you how to take this out. A few people said different things, to put like a bit and use, what is it called, like gripping pliers to try to take it out. I forgot what it's called, because the screw is this little thing. I don't know why the manufacturer put the screws on top instead of the bottom, and these are the stoppers. So this is it. I took one out, take this one out, and in order to get that little this thing off, you have to take this off. I was kind of breaking my head the past day trying to figure it out, and I found the solution. The solution is this, probably like a $3 purchase. It's called a right angle screwdriver, and it fits right there. I don't want to say perfect because it does hit this, but you have enough space. As you can see, you just pull it up a little bit and you can get them out and break it free and then take it out by hand. So yeah, that's the solution for that. So let's take this out now. All right, so it's been a couple weeks, but as you can see, this is done. Oh boy, I forgot to close this. It's too much light. All right, there you go. Now you can see it a little bit better. We have completed the headliner. As you can see, it's all Alcantara. I have a few defects, as you can see here. This. I do plan on redoing this. It was my first time, but it's not the end of the world, you know. It wasn't that hard. Time consuming, yes. Patience, yes. This is the result of me being impatient. But yeah, we did everything. I painted some of these things black, as you can see. Defects. I bought STI ones. Don't buy them because they're a little off. From here to here, I think the 15 STI ones are about here. They come close to here, so I wasn't able to connect it. I had to return it. I'm gonna see if I can get the STI ones for this year. I know they're in black, so but they just tax a whole bunch. So this I ended up painting as well. I had a 15 one as well, but the connectors weren't the same. I would have to cut and splice into it, or you know, just wire it directly. My lights aren't coming on, so that's something I gotta figure out why. Maybe the bulbs are wrong or whatever the case is. I did this. You can see my defects there. I gotta take this off, but everything's pretty much done. As you can see, the 15 STI rear view mirror, we're good there. I didn't put the handles on because I think I want to just keep it like that. I don't really want it. Painted all these. This is a little loose. You can see the defects there. Definitely needs a couple coats. That bolt fell down somewhere in the abyss, so I'm not gonna worry too much about that. But that's pretty much it. This is the end result. I need to do that little handle there, but yeah, everything's black. The only, I think, con to doing this, so yeah, this is me trying to open my sunroof cover. So if I do this again, I will strip the old fabric because I believe it becomes 2 layers, so the sunroof cover becomes a little bit difficult to open and close every now and then. And yeah, that's pretty much my take on it. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.